Good morning, everyone. Mabuhay, mahal na. We are the Group 7 and we will discuss about the trends in tourism development. First, we are going to define what is trend. So, trend is a popular or trending product or services that we are using in our daily living here in our society. And the trends can bring a positive and negative impact throughout in our daily lives. So the next one is the trends in tourism development. These are the current trends wherein it prioritizes sustainability, technology integration, personal travel experience, and community benefit, wherein it is desire for meaningful travel experience, climate change consciousness, and the impact of its trends and how we should be responsible enough to manage the impact and the advantage of this in our daily living. And we have 19 latest opportunities or trends for tourism industry for the year 2025, and this is updated by Martijan Barton. And the first one is the wellness or retreat tourism trends, wherein this kind of trends is motivated by self-improvement, wherein those people who are doing this kind of trends wants an innovative in terms of spa and yogas. And the best example for this, a a person who are living in the province traveled into Manila to experience a luxurious spa and yogas. The second one is the solo travel, wherein this is perfect for those people who want or enjoy a solo trip. This is, for example, a nature trip in the province, wherein this is perfect for a solo traveler for them to experience their me time or solo travel. And the third one is the eco travel, wherein it promotes sustainable option of travel trends. Like for example, visiting in Anilao Eco Village in Bungabong Oriental, Mindoro, wherein this kind of destination promotes sustainability of our environment. And also, it encourages traveler to become responsible in terms of waste management and what are the sustainable products that they can bring in this kind of destination to avoid the negative impact to our environment. And the second one is the transformative travel, and it is strong emphasis on a place of learning, gaining new perspective, and making lifestyle changes on our everyday living. And this is often connected with religious tourism, ecotourism, and sustainable tourism, but it has a strong emphasis on self improvement. And the best example for this, a tourism student conducted an outreach program for indigenous people, and this will encourage and promote cultural diversity and contribute them and opportunities to gain new perspective in life and learn about their different cultures and traditions. And the next one is the indigenous tourism, wherein this is a kind of place which is many indigenous people are living, and it is managed by an indigenous communities. And the best example for this is the Talipanan Mangyan village in Puerto Galera, wherein when you are going to visit this kind of place, you will notice that most tour guide are indigenous people because this kind of tourism trends promotes community benefits, especially for indigenous people. And the next one is the health or organic food, wherein this is a popular trend for those people who are enjoying to eat healthy and unique food. Like, for example, during fiesta or holidays, many people who are living in Manila are traveling in their province to experience the community festival because it serves many healthy and organic food, not just a food but also their delicacies, which is made from healthy ingredients such as fruits, vegetables, wherein you can only see that kind of food in that kind of province or places. The next one is the nostalgic travel options, and wherein this kind of travel trends influence the decisions of many people who want to visit again the places that they had already visited when they were younger, wherein it encouraged them to experience again the kind of places that they are craving since that they are already adult. And the best example for this is a Manila girl who wants to visit the province because she also um, want to experience again the green sceneries and fresh environment of the province and to remember her memorable experience. Especially, this is perfect for during holiday season. And then this next one is the safety and hygiene tourism trends, wherein this was already implemented in different establishment and destination in order to ensure the safety of guests and tourists. Like for example, in a hotel, they already implemented policies and measure wherein bringing sharp objects is already prohibited and smoking is also prohibited. The next one is the artificial intelligence or AI, and we are already aware about this and because this is a current trend in our society. And this is an algorithmic system wherein it provides decision making, provide innovative information that can help our industry, especially mostly our travelers and consumers. The best example for this is a website of a hotel wherein through their website, through their own chatbots on their website, a traveler can um, can directly message the website and the chatbots will directly reply without the control of human because through AI it will answer the question of many travelers about what are the different prices of rooms, what are the available rooms, and where the establishment is located. And it also encourage and promote the smart rooms and promote security for tourism establishment. And the next one is the Internet of Things, wherein these are gadgets that that are already connected through digital connectivity and can be controlled with the use of internet. And this is now popular in many establishments like hotel. Like for example, through the gadget, you can open the window of a hotel, especially if it is a smart rooms. By simply tapping the gadget, you can easily open the window, and also by simply tapping the gadget, you can easily open the heating and cooling system within the room. And the next one is the um, recognition technology, wherein this is very popular in hospitality and tourism industry because this kind of technology promote an efficient, productive, and seamless travel experience for workers and travelers. And the best example of this is the bank of automatic gates in some borders, wherein the gates can easily identify the traveler's identity through passport or ID card and with the use of camera by matching it to their face of um, face recognition technology, they can easily identify that this traveler are their passengers. The next one is the voice search or voice control, wherein this is popular in tourism and hospitality industry, and wherein it enhanced guest satisfactions through an innovative experience. Like for example, a tourist use the voice control to um, reserve a booking in a website of a hotel through voice booking. And the next one is the growth of contactless payments, wherein and improve the easiest and fastest way of check-ins and check-outs of many traveler in an establishment. Like for example, by the use of GCash and card or bank account through online, they can pay their check-in and check-out in an hotel through online booking. And the next one is the virtual reality tourism trends, wherein it promotes the attractions or establishments or a destination through online or virtual tour of this kind of trends, wherein it encourage traveler to visit these destinations through watching and viewing the virtual tour within the specific destination. The next one is the augmented reality, wherein it provides real world experience and provide information about the area that they are exploring. And the best example of AR is the it allows the visitor to view an artifact about its um, real appearance through virtual overlay. And the next one is the Glacier Travel, which is a combination of business and travel. And the best example of this is a tour operator who conduct a business travel in Batanes in order to capture the scenic view of this island that is already included in the travel package that he is promoting for the tourists. And through this business travel, this is not only encourage him to travel for his own business purposes, but also to extend his leisure time while on this trip. So the next one is the immersive cultural stay, wherein to visit in a destination to gain new information, new perspective, and learn about their culture and traditions. And this is perfect for those people who want to enjoy a new, unique experience about a specific destination. Like, for example, a business or travel operator wants to add something unique in his travel packages, such as unique accommodations, unique destinations that he can include in a travel package in order to gain and attract more traveler to purchase these travel packages. The next one is the set jetting, wherein travel to a destination where the movies or TVs or a promotional video of a specific destination were filmed. Like for example, a website posted a virtual tour or captured of a specific destination of Palawan that is already posted on Facebook. And through this, it will encourage the tourists to visit this kind of destination because of what they have watched on their gadgets. And this will a greater opportunity as a marketing strategy for businesses, especially in the Palawan Island, to gain more tourists. And the last one is the celebratory travel, wherein the purpose of this travel is to celebrate on special occasions such as birthday, anniversary, retirement, wedding, and graduation. Like for example, traveling into Siargao to celebrate the anniversary and enjoy the quiet and memorable experience together.
So, we are going to talk about the trend analysis. So, what is trend analysis. Trend analysis is a statistical approach to identifying patterns or changes in data over time. It used to help predict future business dynamics and inform decision making. So, how trend analysis works in a certain situation or the organization or also the program. In terms of business, trend analysis might involve looking at sales data over several years to see if sales of a particular product are increasing, decreasing, or staying the same. Also in finance rather, it could mean analyzing stocks prices to identify potential investment and opportunity. So now we are going to talk about the key developmental trends in tourism. So one is the sustainable and the regenerative. So if we're going to talk about the sustainable means meeting our current needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs, focusing on maintaining balance. And when it comes to regenerative, it goes a step further by not only sustaining resources but also actively working to restore and improve them, enhancing the health of ecosystems and communities. So one of the examples of these are the decarbonation efforts, regenerative travel, community-based tourism, and the destination dupes and off-season travel. And the second one is the experiential and purpose-driven travel. It involves the deeply engaging with local cultures and environments while contributing positively to communities and conservation efforts. So one of the examples of these are the transformative travel, wellness and culmination, niche interests, and the leisure travel. And the last one is the digitalization and hyper personalization. It involves the using digital technologies to tailor products, services, and experience to individual customer preference and needs. And one of the examples of these are the artificial intelligence, that so we called AI, also the contactless and seamless travel, immersive technologies, and the last one is the smart destination.
Why trends are crucial for tourism? First, ensuring market relevance and competitiveness. Meeting traveler expectation. Travelers now seek experiential and personalized trips, pushing businesses to create unique, local activities instead of generic tours. Targeted investment. Trends highlight where to allocate resources. The digitalization trend, for example, shows the need to invest in AI, mobile booking apps, and contactless technology to stay competitive. Forecasting demand. Trends help predict future popular choices like communications or off-seasonal travel, enabling providers to effectively set pricing, plan staffing, and manage inventory. Second is promoting sustainability and responsibility, mitigating negative impact. Sustainable and regenerative tourism trends highlight issues like over-tourism and climate impact, prompting destinations to implement limits, dispersion strategies, and low-carbon transport options. Fair community benefit, or CBT. The shift toward community-based tourism emphasizes equitable revenue distribution, encouraging governments to create policies and that direct support local livelihoods and cultural preservation. Policy development. Global trends such as the push of decarbonization influence national and local policy, ensuring tourism development aligns with international goals for environmental protection and climate action. Last is building resilience and preparing for the future, anticipating disruption. Health and safety trends driven by recent global events prepare the industry to implement protocols like contactless check-in and enhanced hygiene standards, boosting traveler confidence during crisis. Innovation and diversification. The rise of leisure and digital nomadism encourages destinations to develop infrastructure like fast Wi-Fi and suitable workspaces, attracting longer stay, high-value travelers, and creating a more diversified revenue stream. Long-term planning. Trends lay the groundwork for long-term infrastructure planning, such as build new rail lines or supporting smart grids to power future eco-hotels.
And now, let me discuss the advantages in trends and tourism development. Increased revenue, meaning refers to a measurable growth in the total income generated from tourism-related activities within a specific destinations. For examples, accommodations such as hotels, resort, and rentals, food and beverage such as cafe and bar, transportation such as flight, tours, taxis, and car rentals. Attractions and activities such as museum, theme parks, and guided tours. Retails and shopping such as souvenirs and local products. Economic diversification. It means broadening a destination economic base by creating multiple varied sources of income within the tourism sector and strengthening the linkages between tourism and the local industries. For example, developing local festivals, creating heritage trails, and promoting agritourism, which not only attract different types of travelers but also spread economic benefits across more local sectors like agriculture and crafts. Reduce seasonality. It refers to strategies that balance visitors' numbers and revenue across all seasons, minimizing reliance on peak periods. For example, peak seasons such as overcrowding, high prices, strain on resources, and off seasons such as low revenue, business closures, and job losses. Better resource management. It refers to strategic processes that optimize the use of natural, cultural, and infrastructure assets while minimizing waste, environmental harm, and overcrowding. For example, natural resource protections involves actively conserving the environment. Cultural asset preservation is promoting the historical sites, traditions, arts, festivals, and local heritage of the host community. Waste and energy efficiency, it focuses on reducing the operational footprint of the tourism industry. Preservation incentive, it is offered by a government or organization to encourage private individuals, property owners, or businesses to voluntarily protect, restore, or maintain valuable assets. For example, maintaining and protecting historic buildings, cultural traditions, or natural habitats often outweighs the immediate private financial benefit. Personalization and convenience, meaning it is central on enhancing user experiences in industries like tourism, retail, and technology. For examples, AI-driven customizations, the use of artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning to analyze users' data such as behavior, preferences, and purchases, and deliver hyper-personalized experiences in real time. Contactless ecosystem, a technology-driven environment enabling transactions and interactions without physical contact. Meaningful engagement. Compared to passive sightseeing, more meaningful memorable trips focus on personal growth, skill building, and authentic connection. For example, is an interaction that goes beyond a simple transactions and forms a deeper, authentic connections based on shared values, problem solving, or emotional resonance. Community connections. It refers to the feeling of belonging and the social and relational ties that link individuals together within a shared group or local. For example, community connections manifest in actions that build trust, mutual support, and a shared sense of belonging among a group. These connections can be geographic or a neighborhood or a interest-based or an online group. Direct economic support. It refers to a financial intervention where funds or a tangible monetary equivalent are transferred immediately and specifically to the intended beneficiary. It's either an individual, household, or organizations. For example, direct cash payment or subsidy designed to rapidly boost the recipient income or ability to spend, with the benefit being received directly without an intermediary market mechanism. Smarter decision making. It refers to a process that ensures decisions are well defined, aligned with strategic objectives, fully evaluated, and continuously reviewed. For example, AI powered chatbots for booking and personalized recommendations, data analytics to predict trends and optimize pricing, and real time information system for managing tourist flow.
Tourism industries involving trend bring opportunities but also challenges that threaten sustainability. equity, and authenticity. This report explores 7 key disadvantages, including cost barrier, digital divides, job displacement, greenwashing, and more, highlighting the needs for responsible and sustainable tourism practices. Disadvantages of tourism development. While this coast barrier, potentially making ethical travel and luxury inaccessible to mass market tourists. Second, digital divide. Massive upfronts infrastructure investment potentially sidelining smaller business and developing destinations that cannot afford the upgrades. The third is job displacement. Increased automation via AI and robotic in roles like customer service, booking, and concierge services can lead to the job losses for human workers. Greenwashing is to a tourism. The risk of sustainable and experiential trends increases the risk of greenwashing, falsely claiming environmental benefits, and the commodifications or staging of local culture of the sake of a tourist experience, undermining true authenticity. New oral tourism risk. The promotion of destinations dupes can unintentionally lead to new over tourism problems and, and in previously untouched and or lesser preferred oral areas. Cultural appropriation. Exploitations of vulnerable communities if tours are not ethically managed or if travelers are disrespect of local customs. Privacy concern. The use of biometrics and the collection of vast amounts of traveler data for hyper-personalization raise significant issues regarding data security and privacy.